We got a lot of fun little laughs with our little watchdog, but I'll tell you what I like a lot when I'm making balloon animals. I like oohs and ahs. And what I find gets the most oohs and ahs are designs that have a lot of bubbles in them. People like them. They think they're cute. And of course, they're bubbly. So we're going to make a French poodle, probably our little puppy's girlfriend. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make the head just like we did, which is one twist, but we're going to add a smaller bubble, a little bit of a larger bubble, and another small bubble. So basically, we have a chain with 4 bubbles in it. Now, where the 2 little bubbles begin and end, we're going to twist there. And now we have a little bit of a fancier head. We're going to make this neck, and we're going to do another leg. But on the end of the leg, we're going to make a little bubble, another little bubble, and then the other leg. And you can see how that chain looks. We're going to lock it together right here. And now we have fun little front legs. Give you the body, and we're going to make the same style legs. We're going to have a larger bubble, a small bubble, another small bubble, and a larger bubble. We're going to come down to his tail. Now, when we blew up the balloon, it's important to note that I didn't put quite as much air in it as I did with our other puppy. Because the more bubbles you put in a balloon, the more tail you're going to need at the end. This gives us enough at the end now to be able to put our little pom-pom on, and we get a much cuter little French poodle. And you can see where that will definitely get those oohs and ahs.